Oh, that's unfortunate. That's really unfortunate. And TNT. Alright, we're gonna do one more, and I believe that's enough for today. Did I get it done? Cool, I got it done. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. There's one more spike bucket.
Match found.
Fuck. We're on bind. Okay, we'll do Reyna. I mean, we'll do Fade. Jesus Christ. Mr. Yakman.
They come at us, we push them back.
Let's see what happens.
Stop, we don't either.
You get that always up dark of the night, has a lot of energy. Yeah.
I'll find you.
Also, LJ, were you trying to DM me? I don't understand. Why were you trying to use a command?
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Time to jump.
30 seconds left. Spike planted.
Fake teleport. Time to jump.
Ooh, and see.
So, do we mix it up? Double down? Let's talk.
I don't know why I was trying. Just vibing.
Where are you?
By your friend? Yeah.
My eyes closed and couldn't open, huh? Ray, oh, what the fuck? Oh shit. Ray, give us all your frogs. Oh shit, Ray. How you doing, cutie? Thank you so much for the raid. Welcome in, Raiders. Oh, that's unfortunate. But welcome in, Raiders. My name's Hades Cheshire. I'm the outlandish Kitsuna god of the underworld, and thank you so much for jumping down that rabbit hole and joining me here in the illustrious Moonlight Lounge.
He's not dead? He's not dead?
That's unfortunate. Oh, nice password. Thank you so much.
I'll find you. Marked one. Gotcha. Still waiting. My ult is ready. There, take them!
Ooh, 80 on Omen. But welcome in, Raiders. My name's Hades Cheshire. I played Dead by Daylight, Genshin Impact, and Apex, so I did variety depending on what I want to do, because I like those games, but I don't want to burn out from them. So yeah. But Ray, how was stream? What did you do, and how did it go? Hi, Elixir. Oh, there you go. The clutch. The clutch. You fucking it. Hit him with the gritty. Hit him with the gritty. Let's go.
Cutting through.
Get out of my way!
Oh, she
30
ulted.
seconds left.
Wait, come back.
Hey yo, nice.
Anyone else taking killer guard?
But Ray, what did you do for stream, dear? I don't know if I missed it or not.
Look, I'm trying to be as evil as possible, okay? Is it not working? Is this not turning you on?
God, they're allowed to mute me.
Where are you?
But oh, nice. I feel like we need to talk about like a lot of people's clips.
Last player standing.
Ray's one us cute. It is. Let's see.
Match
Let's
point.
see.
That jet is all speed, no skill. She's mine.
Mm.
Not my friend. Oh, well, today, you know. I only realized,
Their fears betrayed them.
What the fuck? Alright, I'm meeting them after
I don't
this.
think I will.
I'll find you.
I meet one? It's fine. Oh, sure. Might be ugly.
Bring them down. We found one. Night.
Oof. Jesus.
PM.
65 on Phoenix. Honestly, half of the folks in this game should say weird shit they do. So yeah. Ray's model is adorable, y'all, and Ray's even cuter.
Last player standing. Clutch. Defenders win.
I can buy myself flowers. Write a name in the sand. Hi Nez, welcome in. Capybara, 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 capybara. Oh, hey, I'm right there.
Mizu.
Eh?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Enjoy.
I love you. Thank
You, yeah, I'm right there.
Gugan. Runa,
Look.
thank you for the sub.
Oh hey, look. When your timer was 45 hours
Wait,
and
did
not
that
like
apply to-
300.
Oh, shoot, I wasn't paying attention. I don't think it did. I don't know.
I should, yeah, yeah. Is that what you're gonna do? You're gonna do shit. Love me better. You can. I'll do the devil. What are we that again? We need to play another like 23 rounds. So like an unrated will get me done with this one. If you know it goes back and forth. Come on, I wrote bitch. We both know I will throw hands with you, Nez. We both know this. I will not hold back. I'm ready. Yeah, you're ready. You ain't gonna do shit. How was Destiny, dear? How was that going for you today? Answer to your prayers. It was good. It's good. I'm happy you're having a good time with it. We're just vibing and doing missions? Hell yeah. As long as you're having a good time, that's what matters. He's a key, but don't tell him I said that. It's just nice because Van is there. Oh, that's adorable. Van is a cutie? Yeah, I'm gonna tell him you said that. Nez, did you get a cookie? Wait, they're giving out cookies? Naughty the fuck. Since fucking when? Kinda fucked up? That's kinda fucked up. Oh, it's Safi's on. Hell, burn it and nothing, deny yourself. Answer to your prayers. To the heaven, and I'll give it to you. Checking something right quick. Oh, hey yo. That's interesting as fuck. Do you want people to play Valor with? I can probably do an under and then go to bed. Ayo, because I wanted a cookie for some reason earlier. Ah, at least you're not choking on your chips again, Alex. What's interesting as fuck, Hades? How did you see that so fast? See what? See what exactly? What are you talking about? You responded to it as I was clicking upload. Huh? I mean, I saw it through the preview, so I expected it. But alright guys, just checking something real quick. Povich. 100,000. I got on Val in case you want, friendo. Is it interesting, Hades? Hades, not my fault. It was funny watching the VC chat with your, I don't know, with LJ. Yeah? Yeah? It is, yeah, it is. You know, just having white stuff on you. Interesting. Wait, what? What? I don't know. Elixir's little new art piece. It's alright. It's gone, it's gone, it's a wrong, dead wrong, so wrong, so wrong. Gamer, what balls? Yes, can I help you, sir? Oh, oh, oh. Sorry, chat. I'm waiting on a response from someone. Already. To be loved. Listen, I won't lie, you caught me off guard because you reminded me of my first boyfriend when you came at me like that. My brain went like, oh, I miss those days. Oh no. Those are adorable. Nah, it was just cute that I actually like got you stumbling and stuttering. And I wasn't even trying. It was interesting, especially seeing how people were shocked at the fact. Naz, if you want to come join me in VC, dear, you're more than welcome to. I'm in my regular server. Really did. It was like being young again for a second. Damn. Imagine. Fucking imagine, bro. Minus. You found me. I was fed up with the fantasy. What you wanna do? Ready?
My brother.
What's up, smart sister? Goodness gracious, look at that PNG.
I swear.
Ain't gonna do shit. You know, looks that feeling on a lot of people. I do. I don't know how, but I do. I don't know.
I'm in love with this PNG. Oh my god, it's Ball Man.
Yes, Mr. Ballman
I'm
sent me
gonna
to
need
the.
to ask you to respectfully take it off of California servers so I have a chance at survival. Please.
I'm getting. I was like, you guys got better ping than I do. Like I was like one yellow bar. How dare you? Balls, if you would like to enter VC, I'm in my regular server, dude. Don't know why.
Oh, it's Ball Man.
It isn't.
What?
I just saw the PNG.
What PNG? Oh my god. Is that?
Please, it's sort of fucking. Oh god.
That's amazing.
It's not even. That's not
Thank
even the
you.
worst one.
True. Do I go
It's
back
not.
to what
No,
I was
I
last
not balls not tonight.
Okay.
You could send Nez what or put it in the VC chat right here.
I wanna see.
So if you want to, no, like you put the artwork of what we're dealing with.
Yeah, I'll get the artwork. I'll put it in the. I was fucking crying because I made the right half my normal, the left half my. Let me grab it.
Are we waiting for anyone else?
There we go.
Potentially, yeah.
Ooh.
There you go, Naz. So the right half was my like standard like not talking. The left half was my talking PNG
You're
from
freaking
Rookie.
saving that shit. That is amazing.
I'm so happy with it.
I love it so much. It's so inspirational. I want something like this.
The funny thing is, I told Balls, it's like I see you with that.
Yeah. Or even just those like pants that just rip off.
I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Don't tempt me. I would get it. Don't tempt me.
Get it and then do like an immersion break without your face showing of you just ripping them off.
Fuck.
I would own those though.
Crying. That is so it's so good. It's so good. I could have given you some more ass though.
This was after. No, I was trying to get more ass. I already
Oh,
got like
shut
more. I got more ass added to it already.
Okay.
This was with the extra ass. It was even flatter.
Oh really?
The first review, I was like, I gotta have more ass than that.
All cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
But from the meme, I made a second meme. So I made this as well.
Everyone's so mean to me.
Fucking ass, bro.
So freaking funny.
I hate how Arthur DMs me those the rip-off pants would get overused by me.
Is there a hi hun? Welcome in.
I don't know what you mean. I wouldn't use his pants every single day.
Bullshit.
We going into a game?
Bullshit. Are we?
I don't know. Someone cued us.
I did.
Oh.
Match
Okay.
found.
Matta J found.
Match at these nuts.
I got you. Anytime. Boom boom. I like to pick my explosives.
Where are we at? Pearl. Yeah. I'm gonna dodge.
Don't you? I love Pearl. Fuck you. I will stand
kidding.
my ground. This is a good map.
Kidding. Jesus Christ. Boogie Wonderland? Yeah.
I'm sorry. I don't like Fracture. I like Icebox and Pearl.
I see, I see.
Breeze is when I'm feeling. I only like Breeze when I'm doing good.
Gremlin.
Okay, I will shrink my head down in size. Oh fuck. Actually,
Hi, Darlene. Welcome in.
my head is being shrunk.
Rar. That shit crazy. Look at this guy's name.
Who's that shit
This guy is gonna
crazy?
do that shit crazy.
I'm be like, is it really crazy though?
That shit. Crazy with the K. Motherfucking, this man just came out straight out of 2014.
Probably.
He saw Darude Sandstorm as it was released and made that his entire personality.
That enemy Astra
Oh,
thinks
we're
she
on
knows
defense? Heck
everything.
yeah.
Let's bring her back down to
Time to camp a quarter. Hey.
That's a mood.
I swear to fucking God, that gives me PTSD. Don't do that.
What? Camping corners?
Fucking literally, I was playing with Farlin and we are fucking having a fucking camping ass stage. The show was annoying as fuck. I think we were on
Yeah, you told me about
Split.
this.
Yeah, dude, it was so fucking
I
frustrating.
thought it was Haven. But
Hey, oh, it was Haven. Yeah, that's what it's called.
you want to see the
It was
funniest arrow?
fucking. It was fucking annoying. I was like, bitch, I swear to God.
What?
Hold on.
Oh.
This arrow will literally tell you if they're there or not. Never mind. I got a gun put in my hand.
No one B.
No, no,
wait.
they're going mid.
Nope.
No, they're B. They got flash.
It's
Off to a
okay.
great start, people.
Help is on the way, dear. Help is
Shut
on
the
the
fuck
way.
up.
You have no flank watch characters.
Spike planted.
Oh,
You kidding?
it feels bad.
It sucks because the crosshair was on his head.
Last player standing.
Uh-oh.
Oh. I didn't realize all three of them were there.
Let me get some music going.
Level heads until we're
I have a
home,
weird
yes?
urge to listen to Bo Burnham.
Are you sure
Okay.
about that?
Alright, chat. It's going down. I'm gonna throw the gritty on them. I can't do the gritty with Fade, but I'm gonna make it happen. Watch.
Do it, Hades. Do it. You got
I need to see how to do the gecko twerk. Yui was doing it when we played the one time. That shit had me fucking wheezing, bro.
I've seen videos of.
I'll find you.
Oh, over here on thing.
Bring them down.
Oh, they're all over here. Oh shit! I should have. That was a fuck up on my end.
Spike planted.
Multiple targets, B. Reloading.
Okay, there's one there. Oh, the sword.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Back up, back up, back up. Okay, defend me. Nice.
Revealing area. Found them.
Last player standing.
Ooh,
I
117. Close.
Wash up, man. Keep fighting. Rest is overrated.
I'm gonna go B, but watch them go A. I'm waiting for it.
just so everyone knows, and no one can tell me shit, I always full buy.
Why?
I don't know, I just do it.
I got Astra
That
stuff here.
I'll find you.
Yep, they're here.
Yeah, more why.
Wow. Okay, they all peeked me at the same time.
Spike planted.
Oh, he's
It was
close.
the-
I didn't know.
the Astra is by is over here.
Target B.
That's where the Astra's at.
Last player standing.
3, 2, 1.
We're struggling a little bit.
It's still early. It is still early.
Reyna is
Okay.
not as fearless as she appears.
We're
It's
struggling
unrated.
a
We're
little.
playing the long. We're playing the long game.
A little bit. We're struggling.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen, Linda. Listen. By goodness gracious himself, we are going to do it.
I will literally. Freaking, do you think
We ain't gonna
that's
do
gonna
shit.
help? Do you think that's
Yeah,
gonna help?
yeah. It's an emote. It's gonna anger you so much. You're just gonna ace this next round.
No.
Rest is for the. There's no rest for the wicked, dear.
Where are you?
Yes, there is. Just freaking take some NyQuil and knock the fuck out. What you mean?
So far, no one
A.
B, no one A, no one B.
They finally switched.
Spike planted.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
Can you all not die? That'd be great.
Damn, he had a jump shot.
Last
Asher's
player
out.
standing.
Oh
I got,
my god.
I got headshot midair. I can't even be mad. This is.
Where are you?
Quinn, hi, welcome
Want
in.
more? Here's more.
Don't want more.
Make their fear your weapon. Or use a gun. Whichever.
Not as long as the music's.
I'll find you.
Thank you for the 4 bits.
Freaking faked it.
Fuck. 113 on Gecko. But Quinn, thank you so much for the 4 biddies.
Right here. Shock dart. Shock dart.
Last player standing.
Damn, there's one short as well.
Idea. Again. Their fear is
We getting out of this game?
Track is fresh.
No.
I'm down.
Or
These
one
peop-
person needs to
these
say
people
yes.
Are crazy.
I haven't said anything, so if you want,
If you guys want to dip from this one, I'm fine with it. But just, I always just
Raider's
play
like
through.
not to be rude. but
oh,
can you
never
guys have
mind. They said a word.
What they say?
No, looking. They said not to
Not
be rude, but can you guys
but can you
surrender?
FF. We want to get our 5th in.
Yeah, you go surrender then. Fuck you.
But they tried to, but someone said no.
Also, they're a quad stack, so
neutralized. My ult is ready. Scanning ahead.
Spike planted. Last player standing.
Bro,
Wow, good grief.
he shot me in the legs through your body.
I love that.
They demand a fight. Who are we to disobey?
Apresentamos a nossa nova série de palestras, Monstro Redimido. Ouça testemunhos em primeira mão daqueles cujas vidas foram salvas pelo mais enigmático agente da Legião.
Why is this bitch going fucking in all chat?
Where are you?
Reloading.
You are divided. I've got your
Spike down A.
Nice. So
You will not kill my allies.
They just blocked themselves off from Spike. That's genius.
damn. They're flanking through A link.
Last player standing.
No. My freaking thing
One's
was
to your
right
left.
on her.
Marked one.
Ooh.
Yeah, they can hear you, sadly.
Oh, I stopped her. I was the only one there saying there's not gonna be a fucking damn
I
thing.
open their minds. Find the weakness.
I had my crosshair right on Sage and she still didn't die. I want to cry. Forever. And ever. And ever and
What's
ever.
the tea do tonight? Do struggle.
I'll find you.
Nope.
There be. Frick. I'm dead.
Oh yeah! Monster on the loose!
I died.
Reloading.
Spike planted.
Still waiting.
Ah. 68 on Sky.
Enemy down.
Last player standing.
Ooh, sexy.
Oh, dude, that Sage doesn't
They knew.
miss. The Sage does not miss.
Alright, I'll put on my glasses.
You're a bitch
I don't know.
balls.
I'll be
You're
honest.
a-
I was at a I was reclined at like 60% with my glasses off with my monitor all the way back right now.
Balls, I fucking hate you.
Why you cause pain? Why you bully?
I'm
That's
not
not
even
nice.
joking when I say I was like that.
I
was
don't
drinking my water in the
balls,
back of my
I do not doubt it. I completely do not doubt it.
Bro, I was muted my mic and singing Bo Burnham. I don't.
They're over here.
Nice, Hades, you're better.
But if I would have lost it, I'd have been nothing. I'll be lurking from Ash's raid, but I hope you all have a good rest of the night. Thank you, Monk. Sorry, chat. I'm like kind of focusing on the game. Uber delivering this bitch.
I had 5 HP.
Their teeth will chatter in the cold and dark.
Alrighty, I got no money.
What do you need?
Nah, I'm not gonna make you buy for me.
What do you want?
Fine.
Jesus.
How about you next round?
Nah, you're fine.
Because this is the round we'll win right here.
Hey,
right
hey,
now.
hey, hey, hey,
Yeah?
hey. Put that shit away.
Why
What?
am I the only one? Hey.
My throat is fucked right now as well.
Frick. They're all on A. And they're all on B, and all I have is a judge. I'm gonna die.
You're fine.
Right here.
I don't have a good weapon.
Spike
I'm telling
planted.
you this from now. Oh.
Well,
Revealing area.
Yep, there's like
Yikers.
3 of them there.
Last player standing.
Oh.
Gone.
Oh.
I headshot her.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, ain't no way, bro.
They're gonna knife you. Yep.
Nah. If I had any more health, I would have.
Dreams are a funny thing. One little twist. and
It's the
falls
way he
apart.
walked up towards you that had me laughing.
I was so close to shooting him down.
Oh, alright.
I'll find you. Mark 2.
Yep.
Bring them down.
Over here. Oh, they got me through the box. I hate it here.
Scanning ahead. Die. No more.
You're better. You're better. You're just better.
Bro.
You're still better.
You see,
Oh.
you see them. You see him hitting that running shot though. Like, what am I meant to do with that?
This poor dude doesn't know what to do right now.
Bro, he's
They have-
clueless.
They have an up, because that dude right there got killed.
There's
by
not a
an
single
up.
thought between those.
Oh, he just wants to kill him. You're a bitch.
They adopted him. We're doomed. Stab him. Stab him.
You're really gonna ult right
You will
here.
not kill my allies.
He didn't even do it right.
He is so. Knife one of them.
Oh, please don't freaking spin like that. What is that? Oh my god!
Yui
does it better.
Last round in the half.
What is happening?
Treat yourself to something nice while you still can.
What is this game?
Honestly, I don't even fucking know.
The dude's in shock.
They're gonna go B again.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna throw right here, or at least attempt to.
There.
Yeah, they're coming here.
Yep.
Where are you? Marked 1.
Oh, Harbor, no. I can't freaking see when they come now.
They left spike and spawn. We hold their spawn. We just hold the spawn.
The hunt begins.
Nez, you better?
I got one.
Spike planted.
Damn it.
Last
Okay.
Oh, that was
Oh my, I
disrespectful.
fucking,
Sage.
bro.
That Sage is crazy.
No, it's also just
Knife
like
one
we
of
don't
them.
have a teammate.
Knife one of them. Knife one of them. One of them. Gecko can't twerk. At least that Gecko can't, because they're not doing it right. They did him dirty.
He deserves that. What do you mean did him dirty?
Switching sides.
You know what? That's fair.
Match point.
I didn't mean that.
Scatter from my stuff. Super easy to pick off.
You think they're still gonna go A?
I don't know.
I'm gonna I'm gonna do a spike rush after this because this game kind of it's not worth ending the night with.
I mean,
Yeah,
I can freaking surrender. I queued it to surrender, so.
Where are you? Enemy spotted B.
Found them.
Of course.
Bring them down. Grenade!
What the fuck?
Spike down.
Oh, that a ghost. But a headshot? Damn, that's kind of fucked up.
Okay, she's just walking and shitting headshot. Both of those are headshots, by the way.
Bruh, I'm reporting Harbor is freaking annoying.
If you don't knife one of them, knife one of them. In hindsight, I will come in.
Carrying spike. Spike planted.
Knifer. Shoot her in the head.
I'm just alt tabbing. I don't care.
Yeah, you don't have to see that.
Shield going up.
Yeah, well, no, your troll is just Harbor and our team's being a dumbass. I'm gonna start looking at people to raid.
Defenders win.
Oh, we didn't even need to queue up to freaking surrender. The game was over.
Balls.
Yeah.
No, I said I got MVP. 1 second.
Oh.
Or should I just keep on chasing pavements?
Hey,
Ooh, okay. Alright. Make this a decent one.
Match found.
Even if it leads nowhere. Bitch.
my gosh.
I would say hi, but the other two took off their...
Fuck it, I'm on my villain arc.
Yo, you're stupid. That one, what should I call it? That one reactive you have says you've been a villain ever since I met you. And the fact that you're laughing, knowing which one I'm talking about, tells me everything I need to know.
I'll switch that one right now.
Yeah, fuck it. I mean, if you're gonna go full villain, might as well.
Yeah, let's leave it at... Watch me switch to the other one.
I swear to God, I swear to.
I was so tempted to switch to sandwich.
I will move you to the side so I just see Nez. Mama Grifey, your surge, old skills, and then I can't understand the name. I hold you, and then put the kettle on. I be not the one I told you.
Spike Shock rush.
Ooh, sheriff's right. I'm only gonna have 6 bullets in the chamber. 1 bullet, 1 kill. You think I'm playing? You think I'm fucking playing? Would it be fucked up if I just shot this right now? Yep. 55 on. Never mind. He's dead. Balls, what the fuck were you trying to do?
Brother. How did they just know to turn around and see me though? That's weird.
Dude, they saw you, they heard you drop.
That made that much of a noise? I thought it was low.
Yeah. Oh! I still want the pistol that Van has. That one's nice. It's nice.
What do they
it's
have?
blue.
Wait, which one does he have?
The one that it tells you how many kills you have on the gun.
Oh, the... Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, and then the one that you have, the one that like changes color and it speaks to you. I think that's the knife though.
No, that's the
Oh, they walled it up.
That's the RGX pistol, and then
The neon lights one. Yeah, that one. Hey, Van.
the protocol. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, honey.
Which one?
Yeah,
They're
trouble.
I'm not in trouble. I'm just being supportive.
He's
Window.
Van says hello, sweetie.
Hi, honey.
I like how you say that, but your ass is getting very high pitched.
I ate my food and I wanted to come support Hades for a bit before I go to bed.
Where are we going? I'm going where you guys are going. You're lucky you're safe here.
Don't you laugh at me.
Unless.
Don't.
Tee? Oh, that's unfortunate.
Bro.
I don't want to talk about it. Capybara, 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 capybara.
Last player standing.
Close left, Nez. Yeah, definitely.
One enemy remaining.
One run, you're right. Yep. He had no bullets.
He needed to reload.
Yeah, he's on the left right now.
30 seconds left.
Gosh dang it, it's stuck in my head again. Yeah. Oh no, I'm gonna get something else stuck in your guys' head real quick. Aside from my actual head. Do you have to plant? Yeah, I was gonna say.
10 seconds left.
The arrow came from the left.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh,
Not the teabag.
Switching sides.
Wash up, man. Keep fighting. Rest is overrated.
Stick to
Stick to what he does.
I just imagine him now, just like with a chef hat on and an apron, somehow fucking up making toast. Oh my god, we bullied her.
Did
Spike planted.
Oh, they're over there.
dumb bot.
Bro, I hit her and she's like stuck in that corner.
Water rising. Can't use that.
Let me out, let me out, let me out.
Satchel out. One enemy remaining. Reload.
Let's go.
Reloading. Satchel out.
No fireworks today.
Oh no.
Reloading. Match point.
Now give it everything you have.
I'm gonna
Bomb.
one tap anyone who peeks mid right off the bat.
Are you sure about that? Are you super duper positive?
Stay focused.
Very super duper positive.
Flooding them.
Let's go.
Ultimate ready.
Spike planted.
God, spike rushes are so much more serene.
Yep.
Freaking. What's its other stuff?
Balls, hold up, hold up. Balls, hold up.
Yeah.